All right, Chad. Everybody's saying ICC doesn't work, so we're gonna show you how we made $200 today on the funded account and like $1,800 on 3 different eval accounts. So let's talk about it. So, boom. We come to the morning market. What time is this right here? Let me reverse. I'm sorry. My bad. Forward check. All right, boom. So we come in. If I'm marking up my charts in the morning market, y'all wanted to see what's an indication. Indication is really all you need, and you know where the market going to go, right? Indication. Just think about it like this. This right here is your indication. This right here is your indication. Why is this your indication? Because it's lower than this. This is lower than this. So this is your indication. And what happens? So you draw your line here, because why? Once it corrects this line, that's where you enter it. Easy. I just taught y'all a video on entry in 48 seconds. That's it. Once you indication is lower than something that went lower than this, right? Something that went lower than this, right? That's your indication. You mark whatever was broken before. You aim for this right here. So if you were looking for a tool, you would aim for this right here, right? This is what you aim for. We aiming for this bottom right here. Boom. Aiming for this bottom. And once it comes up and comes back down, we're in. That's your entry. All right, boom. So I'm looking in I'm coming in the markets at 6 o'clock, and that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Mind you, I'm in Denver, so if you in New York or Cali, it's different time frame. But I'm in Denver, so it's 6 o'clock for me. All right, boom. So now, let's say market opens. Mind you, I wouldn't even be trading at 6:45, so I'm not getting to that. All right, this is my session, 7:45, right? So I'm waiting for a closure. I'm waiting for us to break this red line, and once we break it, all right, cool. I'm cool with that. I'm getting into that. Once we break it, I'm in. I think we got in like 3-4 cons, something like that. So I'm getting in. I'm placing my stop loss. Really. So when I was looking at the charts, I saw the 15-minute candles not making. So really, I would want to place it. I would really want to place it above like the 15-minute candle, maybe like somewhere up here. But I think I went lower risk because 530. We don't want more risk than, you know what I'm saying. So I think we went somewhere like around this area right here. My apologies. This ain't messing with me. All right, we went somewhere like right here, right around 321. But this is my strat, so like I'm cool with taking that much risk on this strategy because like this is my normal strat. This is what I do. Like this is like I'm not trading often. Like if y'all wonder why I haven't posted any videos, it's because I don't trade every day. So if I see my strat, I'm taking my strat on my soul. So boom, we get in, and let's see. Boom, TP. I'm sorry, I haven't placed my TP, but TP would be right here. And we smacked that. Let me go back so I can show y'all. TP, so we get in right where I said, right here. Let me go back, so. Dang, everything messing up. All right, so we get in right here at that line, that red line, remember, that's where we're going to enter. So, I'm going to show you how quick we smack TP. We smack TP quick as hell. And then, like I said, we put it like, right above that candle or whatever. It wasn't 506, it was less than that. The risk was way less than that, but let me show you what I actually risk, because y'all wanted me to start showing y'all like where to put your stop loss and stuff like that. So boom. Boom. So like I said, we're risking 524 to make 1,000, which is cool to me. Boom. Tap that. Bro, like whatever. It's not gonna take. But whatever. We're up 1,000. You feel me? Like it hits. It's gonna hit. Like it's gonna hit. And that's I don't know what's going on with my throat. I'm tripping. But that's it. That's it. Don't make this harder than it needs to be. Boom. You come to the market. You mark your highs and lows. Why would this right here be an indication? Because it's higher than this, right? Why would this down here be an indication? Because it's lower than this. That's it. Don't make it too hard. And then once it comes back up and corrects, and you hit right here, you take the trade. You see how we didn't even have no drawback once, because we got to this one right here. There was no drawback back. I think we got in this one or this one right here, whatever. But it was no drawback down. Boom, straight down. Straight down. Now, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you niggas, bro. I ain't mean to say that more, but I'm not going to sit here and lie to y'all, bro. I took another trade. So I didn't really make 200 on the funding. I just had to, that was a little clickbait, so I can get y'all in. I never lie to you about the trades I take. I did take a dumb trade, but I need y'all, this is what I want y'all to learn from me taking dumb trades. Mind you, I'm teaching, and now I take dumb trades. I'm human. You feel me? I got greedy. I made 250, and I was like, oh, that's not enough. I get greedy sometimes too, and sometimes I need to reel back in. So I ended up losing like $200. It happens. And I put it in my journal. I wrote it down that I need to be satisfied with 250. 250 times 30 is what? That's like 200 times 30. That's da 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 da. I'm not good at math. Somebody do that for me. But think about that. Like, I was getting greedy. But yes, you could have used ICC today to make that trade. And yes, that's 455 points. But 455 times $2, if you had 4 cons, that's 800. That's 800. 800. You wasn't, you know what I'm saying? So like you good. Like, so that's how you would have done. That's how you would have caught ICC today. I'm not gonna lie to you. But don't do what I do. Learn from me, bro. Don't be like me. Learn from me. Be better than me. Don't sit here and try to make extra money. I should have took that trade and been good. Now, mind you, we still made like 600 across 3 different eval because we're copy trading. So we still make that, and hopefully tomorrow we'll pass those, and it's about to get wicked. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's gonna get super wicked. Not gonna lie. But back to this. Let's not make this too hard again. Boom. If it's lower than this. If this goes below this, or this goes above this, that's your indication. We wait for it to come back above here, place your red line above where this went lower than that, boom. You enter, you aim for this, you out. Don't make this trading shit harder than it has to be. And when you do dumb stuff like I did today, where you take another trade when you already up 250, yeah, that's when things get a little sketchy. That's how trades become unprofitable. I don't even do that. I don't know what made me do that. But yeah, chat, that's it though. Like I said, y'all could use IC today, made you some bread. We gonna use IC tomorrow, make us some bread. Actually, what's going on in the charts right now? I actually want to see what's going on. Let's do an outlook on tomorrow. See how we gonna play this tomorrow. Let's see. Now, what I'm hoping for tomorrow is this. This is what I'm hoping for tomorrow. This is what I really want to see tomorrow, right? Boom, you got your indication right here. So what do I want? The market is already planned out for me. I don't really gotta do too much. Once we go above here, I'm aiming for right here. That's it, chat. That's it. If we go above this line right here, I'm aiming for up here because that's my strat. So I really want to see us keep booming up. I really want to see us consolidate during the night because I don't want to do it night session because I don't trade night session. But as soon as 7:30 hits, I want to see the charts do this right here. Boop, boop, money bags. That's what I want to see. So that's my outlook for tomorrow. We're going to come back tomorrow and see if it do it. But if it do, that's what I want to see on my soul. But yeah, don't be dumb like me, bro, and take trades when you already up 250. I made somebody shift in a few minutes, and I blew it. Not blew it, but you know, but I learned from it. As long, it's cool to do it once or twice a month. Just don't make it a habit. I'm not gonna do it no more this month. If I'm green, I'm off the charts. On my soul, that was just bad psychology for me, and it happens. But don't make this harder than it needs to be, man. This trading stuff is easy, and if you want to flip it the other way, indication, this right here, all of this right here is your correction. Like if you want to flip it to for tomorrow on how I'm looking, this is your indication right here. So boom, indication. So this is my indication because we went higher than this. So this right here is your indication. This right here is your correction. This right here is your correction, right here. So it's correcting right now. It would be correct. Well, it's been correcting hella. And when it comes back above here, that's your continuation. We take that. So tomorrow, that's the trade I want to see to take. And this is not financial advice, none of that, but take it at your own risk. But that's the trade I will be taking on me. Love y'all. Peace.